Okay, we all gotta get down.
Rolling down! Get down! Ah! Get down! How long is this video run for?
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Over here, over there. It's kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Snape,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Snape,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Hermione?
Snape,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Hermione? Ron!
Snape,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley! Hermione?
Dumbledore!
Hermione?
Snape,
Hermione!
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Severus
Harry Potter!
Snape,
Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Hermione! Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Dumbledore!
Hey! Hey!
Snape!
Hey!
Dumbledore!
Hermione!
Snape,
Potter! I'm Harry Potter!
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! Singing a song all day long at Hogwarts! Wrong! I found the source of the mysterious ticking sound! It's a pipe bomb! Yay!
Voldemort, Voldemort, you Voldemort, Voldemort.
I want to watch that. It's so warm in here.
Oh, somebody hold my phone.
Good job, team. Good first take.
Hope it was recording.